Benvenuti. Welcome to Italy, a land brimming with history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. From the towering Alps to the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean, Italy offers a feast for the senses and a journey for the soul. Here, every street tells a story, whispering tales of emperors, artists, and everyday life through the ages. Each cobblestone has witnessed centuries of history unfold, and life is lived with a lot of passion. Italians embrace every moment with gusto, celebrating life's simple pleasures with open hearts and infectious enthusiasm. Imagine walking on old bumpy streets, feeling the echoes of the past beneath your feet. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee mixing with really old history, creating an intoxicating blend that awakens the senses. Italy is an experience for all your senses, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and textures. It's a place to slow down, enjoy the simple things, and find new things around every corner. Discover hidden gems in quiet piazzas and bustling marketplaces. From the snowy mountains of the Alps, offering breathtaking views and thrilling adventures, to sunny beaches in the south, where the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean beckon you to relax and unwind. Each area has its own special taste, a unique culinary identity shaped by local ingredients and time-honored traditions. Here you'll find where Western civilization started, the cradle of democracy, law, and philosophy. You'll also find art that changed the world, masterpieces that continue to inspire and captivate audiences centuries later, and food that feels like a warm hug, prepared with love and shared with family and friends. Our quick trip will take you from fancy cities in the north, like Milan and Venice, through Tuscany's rolling hills, adorned with vineyards and olive groves, to the simple south, where life moves at a slower pace and traditions are deeply cherished. Each stop shows a new way of talking, a new tradition, a local custom, and a new way of life, all mixed together into Italy's rich identity, a vibrant mosaic of regional cultures and traditions. So, pack your curiosity, your appetite for adventure, and comfy shoes. Let's explore La Dolce Vita, the sweet life, together, savoring every moment and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Italy isn't just a place to visit, it's an experience that touches your heart and soul. It's a feeling that stays with you long after you leave, a longing to return to its beauty, its warmth, and its magic. Our adventure begins in the north, a land of stunning contrasts and breathtaking beauty. We're embarking on a journey through a region where majestic mountains meet serene lakes and bustling cities hum with life. Where the Alps stand tall, their snow-capped peaks piercing the sky, creating a dramatic backdrop to our exploration. These mountains have witnessed centuries of history, and their grandeur is truly awe-inspiring. We'll glide over clear lakes like Como and Garda, their crystal-clear waters reflecting the surrounding mountains and creating picture-perfect scenes. These lakes are not just visually stunning, they're also havens of tranquility, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Milan is busy with fashion, money, a global hub where style and commerce intertwine. The city's energy is palpable, with its streets teeming with people pursuing their dreams and passions. And we can't forget the amazing Gothic Duomo Church, a masterpiece of architecture that dominates the city's skyline. Its intricate facade and soaring spires are a testament to human ingenuity and artistic vision. Then, we'll journey east to Venice, a city unlike any other. Venice is a city of water canals, a labyrinth of waterways that wind through historic buildings and charming neighborhoods. The absence of cars creates a unique atmosphere, where the gentle lapping of water against the buildings is the soundtrack of daily life. Here, you'll find special boats called gondolas, gliding gracefully through the canals, offering a romantic and unforgettable experience. These traditional boats are an iconic symbol of Venice, and a ride in one is a must for any visitor. Venice is a place of romance that never gets old, where every corner holds a new surprise and every moment feels like a scene from a movie. The city's timeless beauty and enchanting atmosphere make it a favorite destination for couples from all over the world. Get lost in its maze of small streets, discover hidden gems, and soak in the unique atmosphere. Cross old bridges, each with its own story to tell, offering stunning views of the canals and surrounding architecture. And be amazed by St. Mark's Basilica, a breathtaking cathedral adorned with golden mosaics and intricate details. It's a true masterpiece of Byzantine architecture and a testament to Venice's rich history and cultural heritage. The Dolomites offer great places for hiking, with trails winding through stunning mountain landscapes. And skiing, with world-class resorts catering to all levels of skiers and snowboarders. This region is a unique blend, mixing Italian and Austrian ways in both culture and food, creating a distinctive Alpine experience. Turin, Italy's first capital city, boasts elegant architecture and a rich history. And Bologna, the center of Emilia-Romagna's food area, is a culinary paradise for food lovers. All of this adds to how different and diverse the region is, making it a truly captivating destination. In the north, you can hike mountains one day, breathing in the fresh alpine air and marveling at the panoramic views, and explore art museums the next, immersing yourself in the region's rich artistic heritage. The organized and fancy way of life here is reflected in the region's sophisticated cities and stylish inhabitants. This is different from the relaxed speed of the south, offering a unique perspective on Italian culture and lifestyle. From industrial Turin to dreamy Venice, the contrasts within northern Italy are striking and captivating. Northern Italy sets a grand stage for our journey, promising unforgettable experiences and breathtaking sights. It's a region that works hard, lives well, and embraces the finer things in life. And it keeps its history with pride, preserving its cultural heritage for generations to come. Here, every experience is a mix of old-world charm and new energy, creating a dynamic and exciting atmosphere. The north is just the beginning of Italy's endless wonders, and we're excited to explore all that this incredible country has to offer. Next, we venture into the heart of Italy, to Tuscany, a region synonymous with beauty, art, and a way of life that has captivated visitors for centuries. A place where rolling hills are elegantly lined with tall, slender cypress trees, standing like silent sentinels guarding the landscape. These iconic trees create a visual rhythm that is both calming and inspiring. Endless vineyards stretch across the countryside, and sun-drenched olive groves shimmer under the Tuscan sun, their silvery leaves whispering tales of generations past. We arrive in Florence, the undisputed cradle of the Renaissance, a city that feels like an open-air museum, a living testament to human creativity and ingenuity. Every corner turned reveals another masterpiece, another story etched in stone. Here, Michelangelo's David statue, a symbol of human perfection, stands tall. Brunelleschi's dome, a marvel of engineering and architectural brilliance, dominates the skyline. And the Uffizi Gallery's world-renowned collection of Renaissance artworks are waiting to inspire and move you. Take a stroll across the Ponte Vecchio bridge, its shops clinging to its sides. Wander through the enchanting Boboli Gardens, a green oasis of sculpted beauty, and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the city's lively markets, filled with local crafts and delicacies. Venturing outside Florence, discover the breathtaking Piazza del Campo in Siena, a shell-shaped square that hosts the famous Palio horse race, the striking medieval towers of San Gimignano, piercing the sky, and the world-renowned Leaning Tower of Pisa, a testament to architectural imperfection and enduring charm. Tuscany is also a paradise for food and wine enthusiasts. A culinary journey awaits at every turn. This is the proud home of Chianti wine, with its ruby red hues and earthy notes, and of simple yet incredibly tasty traditional food. Take a leisurely drive through the picturesque Chianti region, stopping at family-run wineries and local cellars to indulge in authentic wine tastings, learning about the art of winemaking from passionate producers. Savor hearty and comforting thick bean soups, indulge in the rich flavors of a perfectly cooked Florentine steak, and delight in the taste of fresh handmade pasta served with a savory wild boar sauce. Life in Tuscany embraces a slower pace, encouraging you to savor every moment, to linger over meals, and to fully appreciate the surrounding beauty. Each charming hill town possesses its own unique character, history, and undeniable charm, inviting you to explore its hidden corners and discover its secrets. Tuscany nourishes your soul with its unparalleled art, breathtaking landscapes, and deeply rooted traditions. It's a place that effortlessly captures your heart and ignites a sense of wonder and leaves you with an irresistible desire to stay forever, to become a part of its timeless beauty. Here in Tuscany, the spirit of the Renaissance is not just a memory. It is a living, breathing presence that permeates every detail, enriching your senses and inspiring your soul. Welcome to Rome, the eternal city where old ruins and lively life exist together. Stand in front of the Colosseum, a sign of Roman power, then walk through the Roman Forum, which was once the busy center of the empire. Climb Palatine Hill for wide views and a feeling of grand old times. Rome is also the center of the Catholic Church. Visit Vatican City, St. Peter's Basilica, and the amazing Sistine Chapel. Throw a coin in the Trevi Fountain, climb the Spanish Steps, and explore Trastevere's lively streets. Here, history isn't just kept safe, it's lived, from grand monuments to busy town squares. Enjoy Roman classic dishes like cacio e pepe and carbonara in local restaurants. Rome is messy and beautiful, old and new, holy and everyday. Every corner shows a new story, a new layer of civilization. The city demands your attention and gives you unforgettable memories. In Rome, the past and present are always talking to each other. Heading south, things slow down and the landscapes become wilder. Naples is raw, lively, and where pizza was born. Its old center is a special UNESCO treasure. Nearby, Pompeii's ruins offer a sad look into ancient Roman life, frozen by Vesuvius's eruption. Herculaneum, smaller but better kept, adds more to the story. The Amalfi coast shines with dramatic cliffs, clear blue waters, and colorful villages like Positano and Amalfi. Drive the winding road along the coast or take a boat for amazing views. Capri's sea caves and Ischia's warm springs add island magic to the region. Southern Italy's beauty, history, and passion offer a different, unforgettable Italian experience. Here, every meal, view, and meeting is filled with warmth and strong feelings. The South gets under your skin and stays in your heart. In Italy, food is art, tradition, and celebration. Each meal a journey through local tastes. The North likes rich rice dishes, creamy sauces, and special foods like Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and Prosciutto di Parma ham. Emilia-Romagna's tagliatelle al ragu pasta and Piedmont's truffles are very famous. Liguria's pesto sauce and seafood from the coast bring freshness to the table. Tuscany's olive oil, bean dishes, and bistecca alla fiorentina steak show simple rustic food. Rome's pasta, cacio e pepe, carbonara, amatriciana, has strong classic flavors. In the south, tomatoes, olive oil, and seafood are popular. Naples pizza is a must-try, and Sicily's arancini, rice balls, and cannoli, pastries, show a mix of influences. Every meal ends with espresso or gelato, a sweet finish to a day of discovery. To eat in Italy is to connect with its land, people, and traditions that are hundreds of years old. Italy's festivals are the heartbeat of its culture, colorful, joyful, and deeply rooted in tradition. From Siena's exciting paleo horse race to Venice's charming carnival, these events bring communities together to celebrate. Religious festivals like Easter and Christmas fill towns with parades, fireworks, and nativity scenes. Local Sagre food festivals honor everything from chestnuts to pasta, offering real tastes and music. The town square becomes a stage for connecting, laughing, and shared joy. These traditions give Italian life its unique rhythm and flavor. To join a festival is to experience the Italian soul firsthand. What truly defines Italy is its way of life focused on family, community, and enjoying the moment. Family gatherings, especially Sunday lunches, are very important, filled with food, laughter, and connection. The town square is like every town's living room, where people gather for the evening passeggiata, a walk to see friends and neighbors. Italians embrace il dolce far niente, the sweetness of doing nothing, finding joy in simple pleasures. Meals are never rushed, and beauty is valued in everyday life. Work is important, but living well matters more. Vacations and time with loved ones are top priorities. This balance creates a quality of life that's both desirable and inspiring. Italy teaches us to slow down, connect, and find beauty in the everyday. It's a lesson in living fully, together. From Alpine peaks to sunny shores, we've only seen a little bit of Italy's wonders. This country uses all your senses: history, art, food, and the warmth of its people. Italy's magic is in both its grand monuments and its everyday pleasures. Each region offers new adventures, flavors, and memories to keep. So accept the invitation, walk ancient streets, enjoy every meal, and embrace la dolce vita. Italy isn't just a place to visit. It's a place to feel, to experience, and to love. Your Italian adventure is waiting. Andiamo, let's go.